Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 and today I'm going to show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. Unpairing could be useful if you want to maybe connect your watch with another device, or maybe you want to sell it, give it away to somebody, anything that would require you to disconnect it from your phone and your account as well. So let's get started. To unpair our watch, we need to open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it so we can see the home page. And once you open the app, tap on Devices. Here on the list of devices, find your HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 and tap on it to select it. On this page, you should see this option right here in the top right corner. Tap on it to open the menu, tap on Unpair Device, and then tap on Unpair. As you can see, we have a pop-up telling us to go to Bluetooth settings on our iPhone, so we can minimize the app, go to the settings, Bluetooth, and here on the list of devices you will see HUAWEI Watch Fit 5. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, forget device, and once it disappears from here, you can go back to the HUAWEI Health application, check the box, and tap on OK. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.